What's up? It is Brandy Chanell, and if you're new to my channel, here on this channel we talk about everything from hair to makeup to weddings to fashion, I tell you, to pretty much all things beauty, lifestyle, and everyday living. So if you haven't already, don't forget to press that subscribe button and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you can join the notification gang. All right, let's get on with the subject matter. All right, guys, as you can tell by the title of this video, today we are talking about truly engaging. They are proud to be a certified women's business enterprise, okay? And they're proud for their certification to be at least 51% owned, operated, and controlled by women. Okay. I found them through another YouTuber. If I can find her video, I will leave it in our card above. The thing that I really loved, A, that it's women owned, B, that it was very inexpensive, and that I really loved is they send you samples of your edited sample. But before I show you like an unboxing portion, they allow you up to 5 samples, I think, or up to about $20-something worth of samples. They also do Christmas cards, lots of other stationery, but I'm using them for save the dates, or I use them for save the dates, and I will also use them for our wedding invitations. I absolutely just loved the service. It was very quick. The only thing that I'm not sure if it was my internet or what, but the website was kind of churning a little bit and it kind of messed up my samples, but all that matters is the actual product turned out perfect. So I'm going to show you guys, I'm just going to like flash a couple of the samples up here. Here's a sample. I messed up and I didn't definitely proofread, and don't look at my fingernails. Definitely proofread before you do. I was just in a rush to hurry to get these done. So here is a sample of what one looks like, and then there's our picture there on the back. I think we're going to use these for the wedding invitation. Anyways, so y'all, these pictures turned out so good. Like, I don't know, some of them. But you also do front back. I want to say they're like 80 cents a piece. There's different varieties, and I'll show you at the end of this video how quick it is to create your own wording and design. We'll do that at the end. And I just wanted to show you guys. Here is another draft kind of deal. I'm hiding this stuff so can't nobody be scanning the QR code trying to come to the wedding. You know what I'm saying? Of what I was trying out different varieties, and I'll show you in the video the design we decided to go with. This is the packaging that the samples came in, and then this is the packaging. It was inside of a larger box that the actual save the dates came in. So I believe this package came with the save the dates. So let me show you other samples. But the quality, y'all can hear this. This is the quality of the paper. Y'all, I tried to go to Walmart and see if I could do it even cheaper. Quality, trash. You know, and I you know, tried to find other alternatives, but this one was just the best for me. This is a Christmas card sample that they sent. This one is bridal shower sample, which is super cute with the lemons on it. Thank you card. Isn't that cute? I love that. The stackables. Wow, they sent lots of samples. They have like a suite of things that you can choose from, but look at all this. They do menus, they do I mean, some of this stuff you can actually do on your own computer, but this, just the quality of the paper is so nice. This is like your wedding party. We're not going to have a wedding party, so that doesn't apply to us. But let's see what else. This is such a beautiful envelope. Look at that. Like, that's your invitation, and then you have the return address here. We decided to do the QR code so that there's no need for additional postage and all that stuff. People can register on their own. You know what I'm saying? But these are, I just think this is just such good quality. I highly look at that. The foil. Highly recommend this website. Again, truly engaging. How to quickly just find what kind of save the date you want, and then you can customize it to however you want. Click to make it your template. I mean, not your template, your sample, and then it's super easy. All right, let's get into it. All right, here we are on all the save the date card designs. Again, there are magnets, postcards, all the things, all the designs. You just choose what you like. I'm just gonna scroll around and just pick one. Not necessarily it's one that I liked, but I just want to find the first one. So I'm gonna click on this rich structure. As you can see here, it's a 5x7 for 97 cents. And at the time that I ordered mine, they were 70% off, but I think now they're 65% off. Also, I forgot to mention that if you do want an edited sample, don't forget to click that white order free sample under personalized. And then you're going to put in the first person's name and the second person's name, how you want it to appear. You select the date, month, day, year, and if you're in a different country, I'm not sure if they ship internationally, but you can look into that. This is how we do it here in the States. So now it's going to apply our design, and you're going to put your photos in here. I think I already have some images ready to be uploaded. We're just going to click on one of these here. Just going to find some random photos from our engagement shoot to add in here. And as I mentioned before, I think it was maybe my computer, but it was a little slow, but whatever, it got the job done. So now you're going to go in and change any accents that you want. It's very simple, so many varieties, and I did not mean to select the foil, so I'm going to go back later and change that to make the price lower. But I just want to show you guys you can upgrade your invitation. They pretty much have everything that all the other sites have, but it's just at a more reasonable price. All right, so I went ahead and changed the font here for the date and the wording that says formal invitation to follow. I changed it a couple times, so I'm changing it to something that's a little more legible so you guys just can see how quickly and easily it is to edit, preview. And now we're going to go on to the back view. So you can leave the back view as is. There's a variety of options, as you can see here. I'm about to scroll and show you all the different options. I didn't even show you that second section that says backside background 34 options. But I'm just looking at the layout right now, but you can change the background options as well. I'm going to go ahead and add another image here just because we have so many pictures in the engagement shoot, so we might as well just use them, right? So I'm going to throw a picture here on the back. And while we're waiting here for the picture to load, now it's loaded, I realized maybe I might want some wording on the back. So what I'm going to do is change the layout again. So I'm going to go over here to design, and I'm going to change the layout, and then I will add some wording to it. All right, so when you change the design, you have to go back in and add the picture again, which is totally fine. So for this sake, I'm just going to leave it as is this time so we can move on to the next portions here. As you can see, this is how it turns out once you do some more editing. I included envelopes, and I also did the guest and return addresses. You can do one or the other. You can change the formatting of the labels, of the liners of the envelopes. It's totally up to you. You can do just return address. You can do guest and return. You can change the designs. Did that for both the wedding and the save the dates. You can add labels, you can add inserts. They have so many different things that you can add on, or you can just do the basic. So here it's going to generate the proof for us so we can review it, see if we like it. And literally, guys, this is it. So I think if you're really into design, it's fun. If you're not into design, you can just leave it as is. And you just get your guest list ready, upload your guest list, and that is it. And I was like, $104, that's a bit pricey. So I went back in to edit my design, and I changed the accent from the rose gold foil just to a pink color, and then that brought the price down. So I'm gonna show you really quickly what the final price is. The foil, it was $104, and now it dropped down to $70.56. So significantly cheaper. And I mean, guys, that's wild for 60 cards of this quality. Labels, so all of our guests' names were printed already on the labels. Again, don't look at my fingernails, girl. All the guest names were printed on the labels, so the guest names, and then we also did return address on the back. So that definitely saved a lot of time. All we had to do is put a stamp on it and keep it moving. Highly recommend doing that. It's like an extra 30 bucks. Totally worth it. You can do so many fonts. Again, I'll show you. I've shown you already how to get to that part, but I just wanted to let you know we decided to do that as well. All right, I think that's everything. If you guys have any questions, definitely leave them down below. This video is not sponsored, but I really do and highly recommend. Truly engaging if you're looking for any kind of stationery, save the dates, Christmas cards. I think they do wedding signs now, which sometimes you can buy those cheaper on Etsy, but it's whatever. I think this is very, if you're a budget conscious bride or groom, definitely check out the site. Just check it out and get a sample and see what you think. All right, I'll catch you guys in my next one.